Welcome to our channel Vital Signs. Let's journey together towards a healthier future. Discover the health and happiness in every bite. 10 incredible benefits of cherry fruit. Hey there, fruit enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Vital Signs. Today, we're diving deep into one of nature's sweetest treasures, the cherry fruit. These little red gems are not only delicious but also packed with a plethora of health benefits that you won't want to miss. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the 10 incredible benefits of cherry fruit that might just make you fall in love with them. Benefit 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. First up, cherries are a true antioxidant powerhouse. They're loaded with vitamin C and other antioxidants that help combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Benefit 2. Anti-inflammatory. Cherry fruit is a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Thanks to compounds like anthocyanins and quercetin, they can help reduce inflammation, making them an excellent choice for those with arthritis or joint pain. Benefit 3. Better sleep. Do you struggle with sleep? Cherries might be your answer. They're a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. A handful of cherries before bedtime can lead to a more restful night's sleep. Benefit 4. Heart health. Cherry fruit is fantastic for your heart. The potassium and fiber content help maintain healthy blood pressure, while the anthocyanins improve cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of heart disease. Benefit 5. Weight management. Looking to shed a few pounds? Cherries can be your secret weapon. Their fiber content helps you feel full for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake and aiding in weight management. Benefit 6. Skin and hair health. Cherries aren't just good for the inside, they work wonders on the outside too. The vitamins and antioxidants in cherries promote healthy skin and hair, giving you that radiant glow. Benefit 7. Brain boost. Need a brain boost? Cherries contain compounds that may enhance cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. They're like brain food. Benefit 8. Digestive health. For a happy tummy, cherries are here to help. They're rich in fiber and can aid in digestion, preventing issues like constipation and bloating. Benefit 9. Reducing muscle soreness. Fitness enthusiasts, take note. Cherry fruit has been shown to reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after intense workouts, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Benefit 10. Cancer prevention. Last but not least, cherries may play a role in cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that their antioxidants can help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of certain cancers. And there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of cherry fruit that make them a must-add to your diet. Whether you eat them fresh, dried, or in your favorite recipes, cherries are a sweet way to improve your health and well-being. So, next time you see those juicy cherries at the store, don't hesitate to grab a bunch and enjoy the delicious benefits they offer. If you found this video informative and delightful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more exciting content on the wonders of nature. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own cherry experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.